Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope this video finds you all well and good. Today we're on a special mission. Today I'm dragging my hot rod up to Flin Flon and we're taking my mom out for her first drive, and it's also Mother's Day, so this is what we're doing for Mom today. We're going to put some smiles on her face, take her out for a cruise. Also, of course, we're going to take my dad, but Mom first because it's Mother's Day. Come for a ride along.
Well, I guess I didn't ever hear. Here so I can get your reaction.
Oh, okay.
All right, ready?
Not long, but woohoo! Oh my god! I feel like I've been a hot rod going from an old-fashioned car. Oh, this is so awesome. One turns. Hi! Oh yeah, you see?
Well, this was an absolutely amazing afternoon. Had tons of fun with Mom and Dad, lots of smiles on their face. Dad'll have lots to talk about around the coffee pot. All in all, it was a good trip and well worth the 4 hours. Alright guys, we're going to leave it here. As always, get out there and have yourselves an adventure. Stay safe. Till next time.